Click Home tab, Create Design Panel Alignment drop-down, create alignment from objects. On the command line, enter X to select the XREF option. Click the blue polyline on the west side of the site. Press Enter twice. In the Create Alignment, from Polyline dialog box, for name, enter West Street. For alignment style, ensure that Proposed is selected. Examine the contents of the alignment label set list. From the alignment label set list, select Major, Minor and Geometry points. Click the arrow next to. Select Copy Current Selection. In the Alignment Label Set dialog box, on the Information tab, for name, enter Major, Minor stations and Start-End points. On the Labels tab, in the Geometry Points row, in the Style column, click. In the Pick Label Style dialog box, select Alignment Start. Click OK. In the Alignment Label Set dialog box, in the Geometry Points row, in the Geometry Points to Label column, click. In the Geometry Points dialog box, click to clear all checkboxes. Select the Alignment Beginning checkbox. Click OK. In the Alignment Label Set dialog box, on the Labels tab, specify the following parameters. Click Add. In the Geometry Points dialog box, click to clear all checkboxes. Select the Alignment End checkbox. Click OK. In the Alignment Label Set dialog box, click OK. In the Create Alignment, from Polyline dialog box, under Conversion Options, clear the Add Curves Between Tangents checkbox. Click OK. Zoom into the area surrounding the new alignment and examine the labels that were automatically placed along the alignment. In the drawing, select the West Street alignment. Right-click. Click Edit Alignment Labels. In the Alignment Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Type: Geometry Points. Geometry Points Label Style: perpendicular with tick and line. Click Add. In the Geometry Points dialog box, click to clear all checkboxes. Select the following checkboxes. Tangent, Tangent Intersect. Tangent, Curve Intersect. Curve, Tangent Intersect. Click OK to close the Geometry Points and Alignment Label Set dialog boxes. Press ESC to deselect the alignment. Click Annotate tab, Labels and Tables panel, add Labels menu, Alignment add/edit Station Labels. Click the Main Street alignment, which is the long alignment in the middle of the site. In the Alignment Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click Add. In the Geometry Points dialog box, click OK. In the Alignment Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Click Add. Click OK. Click Annotate tab Labels and Tables panel. Add Labels menu Alignment. Add alignment labels. In the Add Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. Feature, alignment. Label type, multiple segment. In the 3 label style fields, accept the default styles. You can choose specific styles for each of the line, curve, and spiral label styles. This alignment does not contain any spirals, so the spiral label style setting is ignored. Click Add. On the left-hand side of the site, click the West Street alignment. In the Add Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters. On the West Street alignment, click near Station 0+120 to place a line segment label. Be sure to click the line segment, and not the station label. On the Main Street alignment, which is the long alignment in the middle of the site, click a location between stations 0+140 and 0+160. On the East Street alignment, which is the alignment with the cul-de-sac on the right-hand side of the site, click a location between stations 0+200 and 0+220. In the Add Labels dialog box, in the Line Label Style list, select Line Label Style Bearing over Distance. Click Add. On the Main Street alignment, click a location between stations 0+100 and 0+120. A new label displaying bearing and distance information is created. In the Add Labels dialog box, in the Feature list, select Parcel. In the Add Labels dialog box, click Close. Make sure that you are zoomed into the area around the West Street label on the alignment on the left-hand side of the site. Select the alignment. Press ESC to deselect the alignment. On the road alignment, click one of the station labels. Press ESC to deselect the station labels. Click one of the curve labels. Press ESC to deselect the curve label. Click the label showing bearing over distance near station 0+100. Grips appear on the label. Click the label location grip. The grip turns red. Drag the label down and to the left to move it to a clear location. Click to place the label. Press ESC to deselect the label. Click the West Street label. Grips appear on the label. Click the label anchor grip. The grip turns red. Drag the label to the right. Click near station 0+100 to place the label closer to the center of the line segment. Press ESC to deselect the label. Pan and zoom to the cul-de-sac of the West Street alignment. Use the grips to drag each curve label away from the alignment. Click the EP 0+243.63 label. A grip appears on the label. Click the grip. The grip turns red. Drag the label up and to the right to move it to a clear location. Press ESC to deselect the EP 0+243.63 label. Ctrl plus click station label 0 plus 000. Press delete. Repeat these operations, moving and dragging labels to other locations where required. If you want to undo any flipping or dragging operations, select the labels in question. Right-click and click Reset Label. Click one of the station labels on the main street alignment. Press ESC to deselect the XREF. On the command line, enter list. On the West Street alignment, click a station label and a bearing over distance label. Press enter. Close the AutoCAD text window. Click the curve label near station 0 plus 040. Right-click. Click Properties. In the Properties palette, change the curve label style to Curve Label Style Design Data. Press ESC to deselect the label. Click Station Label 0 plus 040. Right-click. Click Properties. In the Properties palette, under Labeling, change the major station label style to Perpendicular with tick. Press ESC. Ctrl plus click Geometry Point Label PC, 0 plus 018.54. In the Properties palette, examine the properties that are available. Under General, change the flipped property to True. Close the Properties palette. Press ESC to deselect the labels.